Hello children, welcome to the English class. In the previous class, we have started the new lesson, Ice in the Forest. Today, we'll see its continued part. Before starting the continued part, let us see what we have read in the last class. In the forest, in the middle of the forest, one huge ice block has been came, and all animals gathered to see it. They are very eager to see how it came, from where it came. They are very surprised. Meanwhile, the king of the jungle, lion, he said, whoever take out the gems from the iceberg, they will become the king after me. Then, by hearing this announcement, first Elephant tried to break the ice and take out the gems, but with the help of his trunk, but he hurted Gorilla. After that, Tiger came. It tried its sharp claws to break the ice, but it was not broken, but he hurted itself. After that, the troop of the monkeys. Troop means group. Group of the monkeys came, and like a machine gun, one after another, they started throwing bananas and stones on the ice, but it made hurt to other animals, but iceberg not melted. All animals tried in a different way to break the ice and took out the gems, but not possible. Later on, one of the animals said that, see, something is moving there in the iceberg. Gems are moving. Somebody is there inside. Then the monkey said, it's the weasel. She's there with the treasure. She got the treasure. Okay. Suddenly someone said, look, something moving inside the block. Something was scampering in the middle of the block, right next to the gems. It's the weasel, and she has the treasure, a monkey exclaimed. The weasel emerged from the bottom end of the ice block, holding some gems. Everyone was surprised and wanted to know how she got inside. The weasel told them that she took some time to observe the block and think about the problem. I realized that the block was too hard to be broken. So I concluded that the only way to get inside it was by burning the hole from underneath the block. The weasel exclaimed. I dug a tunnel below the ice block. Then I lit a small fire at the end of the tunnel. The fire melted a hole in the ice above. Then I crept inside and got the gems, the weasel added. The lion was very surprised and declared that the weasel would be the queen of the forest after him. The small weasel taught everyone that jumping into action without thinking leads to nothing. If we observe and think about the problem, we are likely to solve the problem. Okay, children, here suddenly someone said, look, inside something is moving inside the ice block. Then the monkey exclaimed, means in the loud voice it said, see, it's the weasel, a Nevla, a Mungsi in the ice block, and she has the treasure. Everyone was very surprised because all were trying, and how the weasel got inside and how she got the gems, all are confused, all are surprised. Then the weasel, the Nevla, said, I observed it first. It says, I just observed the ice block first. Then I realized the block was too hard to be broken. So I concluded. Concluded means came to and at a decision that the only way to get inside is by burning a hole underneath. Means from the downside underneath, if I burn the hole, okay, if I dig a tunnel and if I make a burn here, then ice gets melting. So if the ice melts, there can be a way to get inside. So I just made a fire, I melted a hole, okay, and I went inside and got the gems. The lion was very impressed. Impressed means very happy. And declared, means given the statement that Weasel would be the queen of the forest after him. A small whistle. See children, can you see the size of the whistle? Very tiny it is. ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೂ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದೆನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಏನೇ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪೈಲ ನೋಡಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Read the given passages and answer the question. A big blob of sparkling ice appeared in the middle of the forest. One morning, the animals looked at it. It was filled with gems. The gems sparkled brightly in the sun's rays. The Lion King announced, "Whoever gets the gems out will become the king after me." What was gems filled with? It was filled with the ice, big, huge ice block. What did the Lion King announced? Lion King announced, whoever get the gems will become a king after me. The troop of monkeys decided to break the block. They threw bananas and stone at the rate of machine guns, but they missed the target and instead ended up hurting other animals. So they had to stop. Why did the monkeys have throw bananas? They want to break the ice. Why did they stop? Because they are hurting the other animals. Suddenly someone said, "Look, something is moving inside the block." Something was scampering in the middle of the block right next to the gems. "It's the Weasel, and she has the treasure," a monkey exclaimed. The Weasel emerged from the bottom of the ice block holding some gems. Who was moving inside the block? Weasel. Was she successful in getting gems? Yes, she is successful in getting gems. Match the following of the animals to their actions. Elephant tried using his trunk to break the ice block. Monkeys threw bananas and stone at the rate of machine guns. Tiger tried using his claws to make a hole through the ice. Weasel dug a tunnel below the ice block. Okay children? Complete this work in your classwork. Bye.